Hey guys, this is a 2017 Ford F-150 Lariat edition, 4-wheel drive. It's got your running boards, tow package, park assist. Looks like the bed's hardly even been used. Leather, power rear sliding glass. Power windows, your mirror lights, automatic windows, power seats, 2 keys with remote start. It's got about 40,000 miles on it. Let me start it up here for you. Trailer brake. All kinds of stuff you can do with these. It's got your cruise control, your 4-wheel drive, heated air conditioned seats, backup camera, so this is EcoBoost 345 twin turbo. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.